Well, to tell you the truth, I started as a violinist. Nobody
kidding.
knows that, by the way. But the fun is not the real story behind what we do. Because what we have established in the last 5 or almost 6 years is basically a big network and ecosystem of insurance companies, reinsurance companies, MGAs, brokers, many startups from all around the world. And this ecosystem is working constantly to bring value to all the value chain of the insurance industry. So anytime we have some opportunity to some part of this ecosystem, we bring this opportunity to the ecosystem without asking for anything, just because we believe that bringing value to the ecosystem makes things much easier later on, and it comes back to you. And we are very much focused not only on late stage investments, but we are all the time trying to understand what would be the next trends in the insurance industry. Because when we speak about the disruption in this industry, it's only the start. We haven't started scratching it yet. And this is a huge industry. It's 5 times bigger than the bank industry. When we are investing in an insurtech company, never mind what's the name of the company, we are bringing a lot of experience and we are bringing a lot of knowledge, which means we can help the company to grow. We can help the company to have better reinsurance treaties. We can have the company get better terms on the ceding commissions. We can help the company build additional rounds and additional capital. We help building debt facilities and debt rounds. We are now helping for one of our companies to build a new captive in the US, which will enable us to have more risk capital and to take more risk on our balance sheet. So we are coming with all these good things and we provide it to the portfolio companies we invest in. So we know how to invest in early stage companies, and we recently invested in an early stage company called Sweetch. I'll explain why, because it's not an insurtech company. And we also invest in pre-IPO rounds like Hippo next and Unqork and others. And the reason we do these type of investments is exactly as you mentioned. We are trying to see the future and understand the trends. And if I take the global trends as we see it in the insurance industry, we see major things that we are coming from maybe 4 or 5 directions. The first one is the transmission to prevention from catastrophe handling. If Uber is now doing an embedded insurance in the UK with Insure, this is already being done. If we sell warranties with all the goods that we buy, it's already embedded insurance. If for example, we have Tesla now selling insurance or establishing their own insurance company to sell you insurance when you get the car, and it will be a Tesla insurance. In my observation, this is embedded insurance. And this is part of the reality that we live in. And this is before we discuss about what's going on with tech giants that are entering the insurance industry.
Gil, thank you very, very much for your time today. It has been a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much.